Hi there, I'm back. Teacher Hong is back, and this time I am warming up some chicken nuggets. What if your student or child is hungry and they want to have chicken nuggets? So I'm just using this brand. You can use any brand you prefer. But first, I'm going to do a demonstration with TouchChat. Okay, so to demonstrate, maybe your student or child is saying, okay, go to this hungry, go to description,
hungry,
I
want
to eat, maybe it's lunch.
Chicken nuggets.
Okay, so they're saying they're hungry. I want chicken nuggets, obviously, right there. And then I'll demonstrate what you'll need is go to home. I need, and go to groups, kitchen, need a dish, and a fork. Okay, then oven mitts for safety because things can get hot in the kitchen. Okay, but first we're going to read the instructions on how to warm up our chicken nuggets. Okay. Place 6 to 8 frozen nuggets in a circle. Leave a space in the center on a microwave safe plate. Microwave uncovered on high for 2 to 3 minutes or until heated through. Rotate plate half turn halfway through heating. Let stand 1 minute before serving. Okay, so first we're going to take out 6 nuggets, chicken nuggets, because that's what I want. I only want to have 6 nuggets. So I'm going to count, oops, 1 moment as I lower the camera. Okay, so I lowered the camera. I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chicken nuggets. And now I'm going to put this in the microwave and warm it up for 2 minutes. And your microwave might be different, so mine, I just need to press the number and it automatically starts. So now I'm going to seal this up because it has it's a resealable bag. We always want to clean up our things when we're cooking or doing any activity. And now we're going to wait. Okay, and as we're waiting, I'm just going to go ahead and pause so you don't have to watch and wait with me. So I will see you in a little bit. And I'm back again. And as a reminder, in the instruction, it says when we take out the chicken nuggets to wait for 1 minute. I know it's going to be a little bit hard, but it's very important that we wait. Otherwise, we could burn our mouths. Oops. And I hear the signal that our nuggets are ready. So I'm going to put on my oven mitts. Use 2 hands. Ooh, I could see that the steam is steaming up my glasses. Close the door. And there is our chicken nuggets. I'm going to use my fork. I think it's warm. I'm just going to touch it really quickly. Whoop. And it is warm. So I am going to wait 1 minute. And I'm going to pause this video so you don't have to wait with me. Okay, and now it is 1 minute. I know it's probably uncomfortable, but it was very necessary just to be safe. And we're going to taste our chicken nuggets. Okay. It is ready. And for some of us, we might want to have some mustard to dip. Happy eating. See you next time.